Did you know that at this very moment, your angels are trying to talk to you? Yes, you, right now. This is not a fantasy or an illusion. It is real. And yes, they have a message just for you. Today, I will tell you what these celestial beings want you to know. Get ready for a journey of connection and inspiration. Often, we get lost in the hustle and bustle of life. Goals, dreams, responsibilities. Everything seems like a giant puzzle, and finding the right piece can be a challenge. The search for contentment and stability can consume us, but there's good news. You are on the right path. Your dedication to taking care of yourself, seeking balance and fulfillment, does not go unnoticed. On the other side, he thinks a lot about you. He admires your strength, your resilience. And do you know why? Because you are proud of yourself, and that energy is contagious. So, take a deep breath. The angels are whispering that you are on the right path. Just keep going. You are an incredible person. Remember, you are not alone. The angels are by your side, guiding your steps. And now, you have the key to decipher their message. Pay attention and let yourself be carried away by this celestial connection. You are in control of your life, aren't you? Seeking that true feeling of happiness, finding pleasure in your daily life. You have goals, the dreams you are pursuing. You strive to align everything, seeking inner peace and the emotional stability that we all desire. And then, without you noticing, there is someone who can't get you out of his head. He admires you a lot, constantly thinks about you because you strive so hard to take care of yourself, to feel good, to be the best version of yourself. And this, my dear, is a source of pride. Feeling good about yourself, being at peace, is a great achievement. Someone's admiration for you is not accidental. It reflects the positive impact your journey of self-improvement has on those around you. In this recognition and reflection of your effort in dedicating yourself to a life worth living, marked by personal achievements and the authentic satisfaction of who you are. Moreover, taking care of yourself and seeking the best version of yourself is not just about achieving external goals, but also nurturing your inner world. Celebrating your successes, you create a positive cycle of self-esteem and confidence, essential for facing life's challenges with resilience and optimism. Your effort and dedication to personal development deserve recognition. This internal work is not only beneficial to you, it resonates around you, positively influencing your emotional connections and relationships. Cultivating a state of healthy detachment and focusing on gratitude for the good things in life creates an environment of peace and contentment. Your balanced and relaxed approach to life, centered on your well-being, has a magnetic effect. It's no surprise that someone deeply feels your absence. Your energy, a mix of inner peace and satisfaction with life, becomes something he desires. Your absence provokes constant reflection and a longing for your presence. This highlights the importance of balancing taking care of yourself and maintaining meaningful connections with others. The work you do on yourself is not just a journey of self-knowledge and personal growth. It serves as a beacon, attracting people who appreciate this quality of energy and presence. He sees in you someone he can completely trust, who manifests loyalty, dedication, kindness, respect, understanding, and a remarkable ability to communicate. These qualities are not only admired, they are exactly what he is looking for in his life, the type of energy and presence he deeply values. That's why he constantly thinks about you, trying to find a way into your life, looking for ways to get closer and create a meaningful connection. Even with an active social life, surrounded by friends and acquaintances, and receiving romantic attention from others, his mind and heart are focused on you. This shows the depth of his attraction and interest, even with several opportunities around. He truly desires you. He imagines how he could be part of your world, becoming a constant and significant presence in your life. This scenario reveals the impact you have on him, not only as an admirable person for your qualities, but as someone essential for his own well-being and happiness. He is willing to overcome any obstacle to create a space for you in his life. This shows the value he places on your presence and the potential for a deeper connection between you. While he lives his social life and faces the interest of others, his attention remains focused on you, motivated by the hope and determination to find a way to unite meaningfully. This demonstrates not only his admiration for you, but also his willingness to make considerable efforts to get closer, seeking to build something you both will appreciate and desire. What really stands out is the clarity with which he sees you, highlighting you from all others. He has well-defined criteria and firmly believes that you perfectly meet them, showing a true disinterest in anyone else. His desire is to be by your side, working to make the relationship between you prosper. There is a decision made, a certainty in his heart that you are the one he wants, showing a deep desire for a serious relationship and the evolution of this connection. He highly values traditional values when it comes to establishing a life together. He is looking for someone at peace with herself, someone with her life in order, free of emotional problems and immaturity. When he imagines a serious commitment, it is your image that comes to mind. Your energy, your presence, your being. For him, you are the ideal partner for a lifetime. He desires to share a lasting commitment with you. This feeling he nurtures is intense and deep. He sees you not just as a possible partner, but as a soulmate with whom he wants to build a future. The idea of a lifelong commitment with you is not just a passing thought. It is a burning desire, a plan for the future he wants to realize. He sees in you all the qualities he has always sought in someone, considering you the ideal partner for the journey of life. He is determined to pursue a connection with you, driven by vibrant energy of I want you. Let's make this a reality, let's act. He is ready to communicate, to shorten the distance between you. His approach is gentle and respectful, like someone inviting you to move forward together, asking, I love you, and you, are you ready for this? This behavior reflects a unique combination of initiative and consideration for your feelings, showing that he had to distance himself from many other people. This not only demonstrates a great sense of self-love, but also indicates that he has gone through a personal healing process. Now, he approaches with a gift, perhaps investing in an experience to share together, suggesting a physical meeting. He is intensely attracted to you, both emotionally and mentally, feeling that you are the right person. The qualities he has noticed in you have deeply touched his heart. But what really stands out is the effort you dedicate to yourself. This has not gone unnoticed. The way you take care of yourself, value yourself, and strive to be the best version of yourself is inspiring. He sees you as an example of well-being and emotional stability, something many people tirelessly seek. And the most interesting part, this admiration is not superficial. It comes from a place of authentic respect and a desire for closeness. He wants not only to get to know you better, but also to learn from you. He wants to understand how you have achieved this level of self-knowledge and inner balance. Think about the beauty of this. Someone aspires to achieve what you already have. You have become a beacon of possibilities for him. And here is the most beautiful part. By continuing on this path of self-improvement and contentment, you not only improve your own life, but also serve as an inspiration to others. This is something you can be proud of. He receives a lot of romantic attention around him, but he is not attracted to these people. Why? He realizes that they do not share the same values or qualities he seeks in a long-term relationship. However, there is something in you that sparks his interest, something he considers essential for a shared future. This motivates him to get closer to you, bringing an intense energy of desire for a deeper connection. He is not interested in the superficial. Others, frustrated by not being chosen, may try to capture his attention, but he remains uninterested. His focus is on you. Meanwhile, you live your life, detach from worries, and relax, which, interestingly, only increases his interest in you. Your ability to stay calm and move forward without being affected by the surrounding drama attracts him even more. He sees in you a serenity and confidence that he desires for himself, making the idea of being by your side even more alluring. The more you dedicate yourself to your goals and passions, the more he is attracted to you. This happens because you invest in yourself, in your own ambitions, and in what you love. This authenticity and passion for life are magnetic. They not only capture his attention, but also promise a future where reciprocity and mutual growth flourish in a meaningful relationship. You will find someone who not only admires your effort, but also shares your feelings. It's not about being pursued, but about finding a partner who values what you value. This dynamic may generate discomfort in others who desired your attention. They may feel frustrated to see that he chose you seemingly without you having done much for it. To them, it seems that you did not make an effort in the traditional way, being more focused on your own life than on seeking his love. This may lead these people to wonder what he saw in you, not understanding that it was precisely your independence and authenticity that were so attractive. This scenario highlights the importance of remaining true to yourself and your principles. Living according to your own terms, putting yourself first, and not straying from your path to please others, you naturally attract people who value these same qualities. He recognizes this in you. It's not about the visible amount of effort you put in, but about the quality of the person you have become. And this is exactly what he seeks, someone authentic, independent, who does not need external validation to feel complete. The relationship that will emerge from this connection will be based on mutual respect, admiration, and true love for the unique qualities each brings to the partnership. Remember, the choice to be with someone is always yours, guided by free will. The potential for a beautiful and flourishing relationship is ahead of you, not because of seduction games, but because you have been authentically yourself, living your life to the fullest. This is what truly sets the foundation for a meaningful and lasting relationship. People around you get lost in a sea of questions, obsessed with understanding why he chose you. They fixate on superficial aspects like material possessions, physical appearance, success, or even personality traits like humor and charisma. This obsession with comparison creates a spiral of self-questioning and dissatisfaction. They incessantly ask themselves, what am I doing wrong? What does this person have that I don't? This situation reveals a fundamental aspect of human nature, the tendency to measure one's own worth based on the perception of others' success. However, what is often forgotten in this equation is authenticity and true connection. It's not tangible achievements or superficial qualities that create lasting bonds, but the ability to be true to oneself and to others. What really matters and often leads to being chosen is not a list of qualities or achievements, but the essence of the person, their authenticity, their passion for life, and how they relate to themselves and the world around them. When someone connects with you authentically, it's not because you did something specific or because you are a certain way compared to others. It's because you resonate with them on a deeper level, beyond any superficial comparison. In this scenario, social dynamics unfold in a complex web of emotions and interactions. It is not uncommon that, driven by curiosity and uncertainty, some people resort to social media to investigate others' lives, trying to understand what makes them special. They wonder why it's you and not them who captured the attention and interest of someone so special. This investigation on social media is fueled by a mix of admiration, envy, and a search for self-affirmation. They question what you have, perhaps a sharper sense of humor, a more positive attitude, or some unique characteristic that they lack. This constant comparison process can generate feelings of anger, frustration, and inadequacy, creating a spiral of low self-esteem and confidence. These feelings usually stem from the difficulty of recognizing one's own worth and the tendency to measure success and happiness in relation to the seemingly perfect lives of others, especially as presented on social media. However, when considering the perspective of the person interested in you, the message changes significantly. He sees beyond appearances and understands the uniqueness you bring to his life. He recognizes your special essence and chooses you, regardless of the opinion or disapproval of others. This choice is made with full awareness of others' attempts to insert themselves into the relationship or dissuade him from his interest. However, he remains firm in his decision, guided by an internal conviction that true connections transcend external opinions and negative energies. This illustrates the importance of remaining authentic and true to yourself, regardless of external opinions. What really matters is the authentic connection and mutual recognition of unique values and qualities. The person interested in you shows admirable clarity and determination in choosing to be with you despite external pressures and doubts sown by others. This is a powerful reminder that, in the end, it is the connections that value authenticity and emotional depth that truly enrich our lives. There are people around him who get upset because he chose you, but you don't need to worry. This choice will be made calmly and at the right time. Have you ever stopped to think about why he chose you? Maybe it's your authenticity, your ability to be yourself without worrying about what others think. That's what he sees in you, someone real, without masks, without pretensions. And that's what attracts him. While others get lost in comparisons and try to be something they're not, you stand out simply by being you. He sees beyond appearances. He understands the essence of what you bring to his life. It's not about having a sharper sense of humor or a more positive attitude, but about being genuine, authentic. It's about the way you live your life, with passion, with purpose. This is rare, and he knows it. While others incessantly ask themselves, what am I doing wrong? He has already found the answer. It's not about doing something wrong or right, but about being true. And it's this truth that resonates with him on a deeper level. People can continue to question, compare, and envy. But the truth is simple. He sees something in you that goes beyond appearances. It's your essence, your authenticity, that attracts him. And you, how do you feel knowing this? Knowing that someone chooses you for who you really are, not for appearances or the masks others wear. This is powerful. It's the kind of connection that is not found every day. And he is willing to do whatever it takes to be by your side, to build something meaningful and lasting. When you think about it, isn't it incredible? Someone who values truth, who sees beyond superficialities, who wants to be with you for who you really are. And while others get lost in comparisons, you live your life. You dedicate yourself to your goals, to your passions. This is magnetic. It not only captures his attention, but also promises a future where reciprocity and mutual growth flourish in a meaningful relationship. Have you ever caught yourself thinking about the impact your authenticity has on those around you? He chooses you not because of a list of qualities or achievements, but for your essence, for your truth. And this is rare. So, continue being you. Live your life with passion and purpose. The people who really matter, who see you for who you really are, will be attracted to this light. If you identified with this message, if something here resonated with you, write in the comments. This love is true and unique, and we will live it together. Show that you also value authenticity, that you are ready to live this truth. Because in the end, it is these true connections that truly enrich our lives.